my dear students, today let us going to discuss about the fractions chapter. Which chapter? Fractions chapter. Before of going to learn about this chapter, you need to understand about this chapter. Okay, what is the importance of this chapter? You need to understand that. If you learn this chapter perfectly, you can do further chapters. This is your third chapter, fractions. Fractions are the fundamental operations. So we are discussing about the fractions chapter. Okay.
Sir.
If you want to learn about the fractions chapter, first of all you need to learn about these all. Okay. So I want to divide the fraction chapter into 8 parts. If you learn these 8 parts, then you will be perfect in fraction chapter. Okay, the first one is introduction part. What is that? Introduction part. Introduction of fractions. You want to know what is mean by what are called fractions. Okay, you want to know about the fraction. So that is called the introduction of fraction. The second part is comparison of fractions. You want to compare those which is smaller, which is greater. You can use the appropriate symbols greater than, less than or equal to. You can use these symbols. Okay, so you want to learn about this also. After that, conversion of fractions. And type of fractions. Type of fractions. We have so many types of fractions. You want to learn about those. How many types of fractions we have? You can learn about that. And addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, division of fractions. Okay, you want to learn about these 8 parts. If you learn about these 8 parts, you will be perfect in fraction chapter. Okay, if you perfect in fraction chapter, you can do decimal chapter very easily, and you can do percentage chapter very easily. Again, a lot of chapters are depend on this chapter only. That is why this chapter is very important one. You must learn about this chapter. Okay. So let us go to discuss about the introduction of fractions. What is that? Introduction of fractions. Okay, let us going to discuss about the introduction of fractions. Introduction of fractions. Introduction of fractions. What is our chapter name here? Fractions. Then what are called fractions? Tell me. Which type of numbers are called as fractions, and what are called fractions?
Numerator by denominator.
Numerator and denominator. My dear students, listen here. First of all, I want to draw a
Square.
rectangle. What is this? Rectangle. This is a rectangle. Yes or no? This is a rectangle. So this rectangle has how many parts? 3 parts. This rectangle has 3 parts. See, it has 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 parts. The total parts are 3. The total parts are 3.
The down to right 3 and
Okay.
how many
The total parts are 3. Okay. For suppose I am shading this part.
2 by 2 by 3. I know. 2 by 3.
Okay. That means how many parts are colored?
1.
One part is colored.
This one.
Okay, one part is colored.
How many?
What are the total parts? 3.
3.
Okay, so that is why I can write here 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Or you can say 1/3. What is that? 1/3. 1/3. 1/3 part is colored. 1/3 part is colored. Okay, 1/3 part is colored. 1 by 3. You can say 1 by 3 also. Otherwise, you can say 1/3. 1/3. Okay, 1/3 part is colored. If you look after this, here total parts are 3. Total parts are 3. So 1 part is colored. You can say 1/3 part is colored, or 1 by 3 part is colored. Okay. Suppose let us take one more example. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, my dear students, this is a circle. I am dividing this circle into
4 parts.
4 equal parts. How many parts are there?
4 parts.
This circle has 4 parts. This circle has
4 parts.
Okay. Here 1/3 means one part is out of 3 parts. One part is out of 3 parts. 1/3. 1/3 means it is nothing but you can say you can call it as 1/3. Otherwise, one part is out of 3 parts. Okay, one part is out of 3 parts. Okay, so you can say like this also. Say 1/3. You can say 1/3 also. Otherwise, you can say one part is out of 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. One part is out of 3 equal parts. My dear students, recently we have concluded summative assessment on examination. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For suppose the total marks are 50.
Right.
You secured 40 marks. Then teacher will give you marks. He will show you marks like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
He will write 40 by 50. 40 by 50. That means you have secured 40 marks. The total marks are 50. Yes or no? The total marks are 50. But you have secured 40 marks. That means what he will say? 40 marks out of 50. He will say that. Again, he also so when your friend will ask you how many marks you have secured, if we ask then what he will say? I secured 40 marks out of 50.